Dmitri Mendeleev was born on the 8th of February 1834 in the Russian province of Siberia. Some interesting facts about the scientist include: he only ever cut his hair and beard once a year, he brought the metric system to Russia, and there is a crater on the moon named after him. However, Dmitri is most famously known for the periodic table. The periodic table is split up into 18 groups, and each different group of elements have different properties. On this table we can see these groups are separated with colour. The elements on the table each have their own element symbol, element name, atomic number, and atomic weight. Here we are looking at barium, helium, platinum, and oxygen. Dmitri was certain that there was a better way to arrange the table so that he could learn more about the chemical elements. But how would he place them in the correct order? So he wrote down all 65 known elements on place cards, but it wasn't until he placed the atomic weight on the cards that he saw that there was a pattern, and this pattern was the way that the table would be formed. Other scientists had tried to form a similar table, however theirs did not work, and it was Dmitri that suggested the atomic weight of some elements was incorrect. The atomic mass of an element is based on the mass of the protons, neutrons, and electrons of the atoms of that element. The mass of the proton and the neutron are about the same, but the mass of the electron is much smaller. The nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. The protons are positively charged particles, and the neutrons are the uncharged particles found in all atomic nuclei except for hydrogen. The electrons are negatively charged particles that orbit the nucleus. The periodic table is still used today to help predict the types of chemical reactions that will occur. For example, if you mix lithium with water, it will result in flames. Some interesting facts to end our lesson about the periodic table are: carbon is important for us to live, francium is the rarest element on Earth, and the only letter not on the periodic table is J. Thank you all for listening, and I hope you enjoyed our video on Dimitri Mendeleev and the periodic table.